Good morning, sir and madam. I'm Ruby Brillantes, 33 years old. We are 7 in the family, and I'm graduate as a computer science of St. John Paul the Great College. I am Catholic. I have work experience like sales, appliances, software, and cook. I know how to clean the house, cook a simple foods, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods. I know how to carry a baby. I go to a market, can wash the dishes and clothes, mop the floor, and I know how to prepare the school uniform for our kids. And my hobbies is watching TV and cooking. I want to work abroad because I want to have a better future for my family, and I know how to sing a song, a baby. Sir, madam, if you choose me as one of your maids, I will do all my duties and responsibilities. I am honest, patient, and hardworking. I will treat your family as my own, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Hope to see you soon, sir, madam. Thank you very much.